Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you the first 10 settings to turn off immediately after getting your iPhone. So actually the first thing and the most important thing, when you go to these settings, maybe let me reset the settings very quickly. Here, scroll down to the general. Now you need to scroll even further to the background refresh, tap it and disable it permanently. Over here, tap off. This is the first thing. Or Wi-Fi only, of course, but it's only up to you. This is the first thing. The second thing is the location tracking for the unnecessary apps. Go back and scroll down to the privacy and security. Tap location services and disable the location permission over here for the applications that shouldn't have them. For example, here we do have DJ Mimo or some Instagram if you do have here Facebook, etc. Disable it, review app by app. Number 3, here if we go to the system services, we do have here the significant location routes. Tap it. Here, scan your face or enter passcode, and now disable it. It will prevent from sending private location history to Apple. Tap it to disable, then turn off. I will turn it off because this is not my iPhone. Number 4, sure, iPhone analytics, disable it. So here, go back from this, but stay in the privacy and security, and go down till you see the analytics improvements. Tap it, and now here, disable. At first, disable, turn off sure iPhone analytics, turn off improve serial dictation. These are these two settings. Now go back and go back. Here, go to the display and brightness, and here if you don't really want the clear glass, tap here and tap tint instead of clear. Here now the next thing is auto lock, but the default value is I think never, so tap 1 minute or 30 seconds over here. For the video purposes I'll leave it here, never. The next thing, raise to wake, disable it because if you are holding your phone in a hand a lot, you will just have it constantly turned on. Here, always display, disable it again here too because it drains your battery a lot. And here you do have something called true tone. It's I'd rather have it disabled actually because it can make your screen yellowish. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.